Hello, today we're talking horses for courses, or more specifically comparing the benefits of the DAF CF haulage or on-road model and the DAF CF construction model to help you best decide which suits your operation. DAF Trucks offers two distinct variants of the 6x4 and 8x4 rigid model and the 6x4 tractor. So behind me we have the DAF CF haulage model and the DAF CF construction model, and when looking at the front the differences are instantly recognisable. The construction model here has been designed for more regular off-road use and is designated as an off-road or N3G vehicle. The G signifying compliance with a number of performance and clearance requirements as defined under type approval legislation. And both have double drive to give you that additional traction needed to help you get out of that sticky situation. Moving across to the haulage model, you notice the stylish front end, incorporating the single piece steel bumper and drop beam axles, helping to keep the vehicle closer to the road. As the haulage model is not designated as off-road, a front underrun protection beam is fitted behind the bumper, which has been designed to prevent a car going under the front of this vehicle should it ever be involved in a head-on collision. The tough, rugged look of the construction model incorporates a high-mounted three-piece galvanised steel bumper to make it even tougher, and this integral design also allows for full protection of the lights, as you can see here. The 3mm steel radiator protection plate also doubles up as a lower step, giving safe access to the windscreen. The construction model utilises straight beam axles, which together with the high mounted bumper allows a much higher approach angle, minimising the risk of damage to the vehicle in quarries or on building sites, for example. And a much greater ground clearance, where the increased ride height also allows good visibility of the road conditions ahead, whether on-road or off. The construction model off-road categorisation means it doesn't need front underrun protection. Although it does have a beam fitted, it is mounted higher up to retain the clearance required for off-road use, while still providing that all-important front-end protection. The haulage model may be lower to the ground, but it still has a pretty good approach angle and ground clearance, and of course it's one less step to get in and out of the cab. And because the driver is closer to the ground, the direct vision blind spot is smaller, making it easier to spot other road users. Looking at the steps, as a standard feature, the construction model utilises an additional step to compensate for the additional height, so maintaining safe access and egress. And this additional lower step is flexible, so you can rest assured that after a hard workout in the quarry, it will still be there at the end of your day. As an off-road vehicle, the construction model is also exempt from the requirements of spray suppression, whereas the haulage model is required by law to have it fitted. New legislation states lane departure warning and advanced emergency braking systems are not required for off-road designated vehicles, whilst their on-road equivalent with less than 4 axles are required to have them, such as the vehicle shown here. It's worth noting that both vehicles are fitted with side guards, which are mandatory for all new vehicles, and rear underrun protection is required. However, there is an exemption for insulated bodies, which are required to tip into road paving machinery, which is why this vehicle has the beam fitted and this insulated bodied vehicle does not. So to sum up, whilst the construction model has many benefits for regular off-road use, the haulage model has a number of significant safety benefits. So I hope this short video has helped you in choosing the right DAF vehicle for your operation. As we said earlier, it pretty much is a case of horses for courses.